I never hear these things too.
Judy, you have a call on line 1. Judy, line 1. Donna, telephone call, line 3. Donna, line 3.
Kurt, please give me
Guys, welcome. We are no longer in a single file line, so that means if you see a gap, we're gonna fill it for me, friends. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. We are no longer in a single file line, so that means if we see a gap, we're gonna fill it for me, friends.
That's crazy. Imagine they have all that stuff back all the time later.
Wait, they're still like opening the doors even though there's no more for the show.
They had these that they brought like the it looks like when they brought back
No, they want to No, I would have heard about it by now. Someone would have talked about it.
We would have seen it on the internet.
Why would stop doing it early?
I think they wanted to get all the prospects. Pretty sure they got. Pretty sure they.
I feel like we all got mixed up. I feel like you wound up ahead. Like, somehow.
No, they were still behind us before we got in. They're probably gonna
Welcome to GeForce Records. Please stand by the yellow line. In just a few moments, the doors will be opening towards you automatically. Once the doors open, please move in and across the alleyway, taking you to. Once again, please stand behind the yellow line.
Yeah, I was doing single rider yesterday. It was like almost an hour.
oh dang, I was in the first
I tried to warn you.
Thanks for that.
Assuming your resources will not please be advised that your row requests are not being guaranteed at this point in time. Once again, your row requests are not being guaranteed at this time. Thank you and enjoy the tour.
We can't just leave these people out here like this.
We can't?
Hey, Steve, how's the backstage
All right, I'll say for everyone, how about the backstage pass? There we go. There we go. I gotta put.
Hey, you forward. Come on, man.
So for your safety, hold down the shoulder restraint until it locks in place. Keep your head against the headrest and stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the limo train. Be sure to stow your belongings on the floor. Watch your kids. Entonces, por su seguridad, tire de la barra hasta que se cierre con un clic. Mantenga la cabeza contra el resto de su cabeza y permanezca sentado con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Coloque cualquier artículo suelto en el piso y asegúrese de vigilar a los niños.
Have a good one.
Wilson James here, broadcasting live from the Aerosmith concert. Seems like everyone's heading to this show, so there's traffic everywhere you go. But don't worry, we have this concert covered. Just keep it right here on LA's classic rock station.
for making magic. You too. Oh, my hat's in the third. My hat and it's yeah, it's in the yeah. Yep. I was like, yep, thank you. Have a good night, Mike.
Be a 2-minute
Welcome back, guys. How's that ride? So many times today. I'm doing so many.